The broad spherical head, with an extremely short muzzle, makes the face appear flattened. The eyes are dark, widely spaced, and located low in relation to the forehead. The nose is black and slightly upturned. The jaws are massive, wide, and the lower mandible is prognathous. It is more advanced than the upper jaw, which exposes the lower incisors a little, producing a little comical smile. The lips are fleshy and pendulous, while the rounded cheeks protrude to the sides. The ears, small and thin, are folded forward, like flaps that frame the forehead. The short, thick neck of the English Bulldog sits well between the massive, muscular and broad shoulders. The chest is full and deep, the back powerful and slightly arched. The rounded hips stand out slightly from the top line. The short, thick tail can be straight or curled. The short, strong legs have well-defined musculature. They are spread apart and slightly curved at the elbows and knees so as to give the Bulldog a robust, wide-based posture. The English Bulldog measures approximately 40 centimeters in height at the withers. The female weighs approximately 23 kilograms and the male 25 kilograms. The loose skin of the Bulldog forms deep wrinkles and thick folds on the face, and it hangs in a sort of dewlap from the throat. The dress is short and finely textured. The accepted colors are brindle, variegated, combining white and another permitted color, and solid colors: white, red, fawn, or suede. The English Bulldog is an adorable dog with predictable behavior, reliable and very good with children. It is a wonderful companion for the family. As this breed is very close to humans, the English Bulldog actively seeks attention from its owners. However, he has retained the courage that was developed in him to make him fight. Against bulls, he therefore makes a good watchdog. Although he generally gets along well with other animals in the family, he can be aggressive towards strange dogs. The English Bulldog easily adapts to apartment life and does very well without a yard. Generally having little stamina, it only needs moderate exercise. It is a temperate climate that suits it best because it quickly suffers from the heat and breathing difficulties in very hot weather, while it freezes quickly in cold weather. Often afflicted with noisy breathing, the English Bulldog is prone to snoring and groaning. Many drool too. This dog sheds little, and its short coat requires little maintenance. However, you must regularly wipe the folds of the skin on your face to avoid skin infections. Used in the sport of fighting bulls, bull baiting, from which it takes its name, it seems that the Bulldog appeared in the British Isles before the 13th century. One of the rare mentions of the sport dates back to 1209, when a butcher's dogs began chasing a bull in the English town of Stamford. The chase so entertained the city lord that he established the sport of dog-bull fighting on his land. Today, the English Bulldog makes an admirable family dog. The AKC recognizes the breed under the simple English name Bulldog. Feeding an English Bulldog, also known as a Bulldog Anglais, requires careful attention to their specific dietary needs. Here's a guide to what they typically eat. Protein, essential for muscle development and maintenance. Look for dog food that lists meat, fish, or poultry as the first ingredient. Fats, necessary for energy, coat health, and overall well-being. Sources include fish oil, flaxseed, and chicken fat. Carbohydrates provide energy. Opt for whole grains like brown rice or oatmeal, and avoid fillers like corn and soy. Vitamins and minerals. Important for immune function, bone health, and overall bodily functions. These are usually included in commercial dog foods, but can also be supplemented with fruits and vegetables. Commercial dog food. Choose high-quality kibble or wet food formulated for medium to large breeds. Look for brands with natural ingredients and avoid artificial preservatives and fillers. Raw diet. Some owners prefer a raw diet, which includes raw meat, bones, fruits, and vegetables. This requires careful planning to ensure all nutritional needs are met. Homemade food. If you prepare homemade meals, include a balance of protein, fats, and carbohydrates, along with necessary vitamins and minerals. Consulting with a vet or pet nutritionist is recommended.